What's the meaning of citizen journalism? Citizen journalism. Citizen journalism.
Citizen journalism. Citizen journalism. Citizen journalism refers to the practice of ordinary people using various forms of media to report and document events, news, and information in their communities. This enables individuals to play an active role in shaping public discourse and engaging with issues affecting society. The result of citizen journalism is a more diverse and inclusive media landscape, providing a wider range of perspectives and promoting democratic values. It can also serve as a check against traditional media outlets by providing alternative viewpoints and uncovering stories that may not have otherwise received attention.